Looking for the top spy gadgets of 2024? We have you covered. In this video, we've compiled a list of the best spy gadgets you can buy this year. From budget-friendly options to the top-of-the-line models, this guide will help you choose the best GPS navigators and other spy gear to meet your needs. Let's dive in. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. Have you ever dreamed of a magical device that could follow you everywhere and fly through the air? Meet the DJI Mavic 3 drone. This isn't just any drone, it's a clever companion ready for adventure. With an incredible 46-minute flight time, it offers nearly an hour of continuous aerial surveillance. The Mavic 3 is incredibly intelligent, avoiding obstacles even at speeds over 9 Mach. Plus, it won't just fall from the sky when its battery is low. It autonomously returns home. The DJI Mavic 3 is your reliable sidekick for any adventure, surveillance, or fun activity. Number 2. ROXANT Viper Monocular Telescope. Monoculars are just as effective as binoculars for distant viewing, and the ROXANT Viper proves it. With military-grade quality, this compact device offers a rubberized grip, travel bag, and key ring. For the price of a nice dinner, you get a pocket-sized telescope that rivals larger models. Perfect for sightseeing, birdwatching, or exploring the great outdoors, the ROXANT Viper is a lightweight tool for seeing the world up close. Number 3. Tracki GPS Tracker. Tracking a car or ensuring the safety of a loved one has never been easier with the Tracki GPS Tracker. It activates upon detecting movement, sending real-time location updates. You can receive alerts via email or text and monitor movements on Google Maps. Tracki is versatile, suitable for cars, yachts, and more, offering unparalleled reliability and peace of mind. Safeguard your assets or keep an eye on loved ones with this discreet and accurate tracker. Number 4. weBoost Drive X. Losing cell signal while traveling is frustrating. The weBoost Drive X boosts your phone signal, keeping you connected even in remote areas. It connects to distant cell towers and amplifies signals, ensuring you have coverage wherever you go. This gadget isn't just practical for everyday use. It's essential for anyone on the road, whether for work or on a secret mission. Stay connected with the weBoost Drive X. Number 5. Kingston Ironkey S1000. When you need to transfer sensitive files, an encrypted hard drive like the Kingston Ironkey S1000 is essential. This device offers robust security with 256-bit AES hardware-based encryption and a FIPS 140 two-level 3 validation. Your data remains protected whether it's photos, blueprints, or confidential documents. The Ironkey S1000 ensures your secrets stay safe, providing you with peace of mind. Number 6. Sony ICD-PX370 Digital Voice Recorder. For reliable voice recording, look no further than the Sony ICD-PX370. With a built-in USB connection, backlit display, and 57-hour battery life, this recorder is perfect for capturing important conversations. Its compact size and affordability make it a powerful tool for interviews, note-taking, and more. Trust this highly rated Sony recorder to get the job done. Number 7. Backcountry Access BC Link 2.0. Staying off the grid while maintaining communication is crucial, and the Backcountry Access BC Link 2.0 walkie-talkies are perfect for this. With 128 sub-channels and 22 FRS channels, these walkie-talkies provide reliable communication. They are weather-resistant and have a long battery life, making them ideal for exploring remote areas or facing harsh weather conditions. Number 8. Ray-Ban Stories. These stylish sunglasses offer more than just UV protection. With polarized lenses and built-in Bluetooth speakers, Ray-Ban Stories let you capture photos and videos hands-free by simply saying, "Hey Facebook." You can also take calls without reaching for your phone. These innovative sunglasses combine fashion and technology, making them perfect for capturing moments on the go. Number 9. Mission Darkness Faraday Bag. In a world where privacy is paramount, the Mission Darkness Faraday Bag is a must-have. This bag blocks a wide range of signals, ensuring no GPS, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth signals can enter or exit. It protects your devices from tracking and data theft, providing a secure way to safeguard your privacy. Number 10. Portable noise generator. Finding a quiet place free from eavesdropping is tough. The portable noise generator creates a bubble of background noise, making it difficult for microphones or eavesdroppers to pick up your conversations. This small rubberized device is powered by a 9-volt battery and is perfect for maintaining privacy in any environment. That's our list of the top 10 spy gadgets of 2024. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know your favorite gadget in the comments below. See you in the next video.